Hey guys, Damage here. Um, it's been a while, hasn't it? Broken now. Back to you with another unboxing. So, you got the AMD Radeon HD6. Sorry, something came up on the screen. 6870. Now, I have one of these cards already, and it's gonna go into my next computer that I'm building, and that's gonna be a Crossfire. So yeah, uh, thanks to the guy that sold me this, $40. So beautiful. Let's have a look. What's inside? All right. So here's the card. Oh, what I love the most is kept in the original package. Beefy boy. Come on, right, come. Ah! Is that cool or what? I know it's a bit hard to see, but there it is. 6870. These are all the parts. You got your mini display port, you got your HDMI, and two, what was it, VGA ports. Looks like, I can't remember, there's different sorts of VGA. This one has, I believe this has sound that comes out of it as well. Normally VGA only comes with just display, but this one comes with sound. And obviously you got the, everybody knows, HDMI. Display port is just purely for display. At the back, still got everything still intact, nice and beautiful. And if we're lucky, I believe there might be like bonus discs in it. Let's have a look. Bonus discs as in back in the day, you used to be having games that come with it. Like with my one, it came with Guild Wars. The not Guild Wars. What was it? Dungeon Siege, the first one, and that was an awesome game. But then again, back then I did have the Pentium 4, the XP Pentium 4, which is awesome. Yep. So we've got the guide. This guide. Yes, on how to handle it. Do not grab. Do not grab on the fan, grab on the sides. Make sure the sides. Thankfully, I won't have to worry about that bit. I'll be taking off the fan later on. Make it water cooled. This is the distortion disc for it. No, I'm not touching the back. It's just there. Where's this little thing? I think that's just a cover. Yeah, I think that might be a cover for one of the edges. And this is what makes Crossfire happen. Crossfire. So, yeah. And it'll be going onto my new motherboard too, which I got over here. And what I love about this box, it doesn't tell you what motherboard it is. It just says motherboard. So here's for the unveiling. Ah, you got trolled. The IO shield. If you look at this, you can probably estimate what sort of motherboard we're dealing with. But it's probably not what you're gonna expect. I brought this before Linus actually posted that video, and I was sort of a bit iffy about it. After, if you have a load of Linus tech tips, he's awesome. I get a lot of ideas off him. Yeah, this is the x79 motherboard. There is no it's one of these Chinese brands, so what they do is what was it, China or Korea, since they're still manufacturing the board, they actually recycle the old boards. Like, used to be the Bose battery here, now it's over here. Yeah, not used to, what am I saying? They're recycling the old boards, fixing them up and reselling them. Like, they stuffed up over here. You can tell this used to be like a dual channel, because this PCIe was not here. It probably would have been further down here, but they put it there. But when you open this up, try and put a card in there, it's actually hitting this. So in order to change RAM, you kind of need to take out the graphics card or whatever card you got there. So you got three PCIes. Then you got I think there's PCI Express. You got quad channel memory, CPU socket, which is the 2011 R socket. I don't think it takes the version 3 though. Might be a little old for it. And here's the VRMs and the capacitors to go with it. So apparently, in what Linus's video said, that these boards were made for gaming and to be overclocked. These chipsets, like, you can fine tune them to exactly how you want it, and it'll stay there. Here's the SATA. I think that might be SATA 2 or SATA 3. No, these two are SATA 2. They're SATA 3. Generally, the older ones will be less. They're different color. Yeah, but if that's the case, then this should be good for video editing as well. In fact, that's what I'm doing with this. I'm going to make it into a video editor. This is actually going to go into that computer, my gaming computer. This I'm going to get rid of. And all the guts in that computer is going to go into a much bigger box, and it's going to sit right here. Hopefully get something the same size as this. That way it takes up all the space. Just look at it. It's a bit dark, but yeah, it's no, you can't see, but yeah, it's a lot of space there. Maybe I should put my foot there. There's almost a foot of room. And so that's it. I did get what was it? I did get a card saying that my CPU's here, so probably that could be done tomorrow or day after. It was some day when I actually get the CPU. But yeah, that's it. That's the unboxing, and yeah, bye for now, not forever.